Hello everybody. I hope all of you are fine during this COVID season. So this is my first YouTube channel and today I'm making jackfruit ice cream. Ice cream, as you know, is everybody's favorite. But today I'm making ice cream without using cream or condensed milk. I'm using simple ingredients available at home. So let us see what the ingredients for our today's recipe is. Milk 2 cups, 250 ml, jackfruit around 25 pieces, corn flour. Here you can also take milk powder or wheat flour 6 teaspoon, sugar 4 tablespoon and vanilla essence 2 teaspoon. Now we will chop this jackfruit into fine pieces so that we can blend it easily, and we'll keep milk for boiling. Now we'll add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Now we will add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. After the milk has reached its boiling point, put off the gas. Collect few teaspoons of this boiling milk into the corn flour bowl and prepare a thick paste. Turn on the gas again. To this, slowly add the paste of corn flour and milk, around 4 tablespoons, and stir it continuously so as to avoid the formation of lumps. It started boiling and it has become very thick. We can check it with a spoon. I'll teach you all a small method to know whether your milk has actually become thick. This is when you take it in the spoon and turn your spoon, you can see the milk coats the back surface of your spoon. Now we'll put off the gas. Now we'll take this finely chopped jackfruit pieces into the blender. Once our milk or ice cream mixture has cooled down, we will add it to our jackfruit pulp and blend it into a smooth consistency. Now it has been blended into a smooth consistency. As you can see, pour it into the container and keep it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Now after 2 hours we have taken it out of the fridge. We are again going to put it into the blender and make into a smoother consistency. You can see the mixture, it's become thick. After blending it into smoother consistency, we are pouring it back into the container. This is caramelized crystal. We are adding it in the center to give our ice cream a crunchy flavor. This can be easily prepared at home. After this, we will keep our ice cream for setting in the refrigerator for around 8 to 10 hours. It may also take around 12 hours. So our ice cream is finally ready. We have decorated it using the remaining caramelized crystal. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked my video, do like, share and subscribe. Keep watching Culinary Kitchen.